You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is m equals 90 over 83. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group like terms. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the m. Multiply both sides by m. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply by 0. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 9 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the m. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 10 over negative 83. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is m equals 90 over 83.